Hey guys, it's Mal. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial kind of thing for you. So I'm just gonna be doing my makeup. I have some errands to run, and yeah, I feel like I need like a little pick-me-up. So why not get myself together? I did my hair. I'm about to do my makeup. It always helps when you look good. I don't know, it helps me. I feel like when I look good, I feel good. So if you want to see how I create a little look, then keep watching. Okay, so to start off my makeup look, I'm just gonna spray some Fix Plus. Usually this is my lazy way of prepping my skin. It just kind of hydrates. So this is what I start with when I am not really feeling like putting on a primer. Honestly, even though I'm a makeup artist, I really don't care to put on primers on my own skin. I just can't be bothered. I don't know. I just feel like it's a pain in the butt, like extra work. This is some eye cream. This is the Pep Start from Clinique. And I'm just throwing that on. I do always put on eye cream though. Okay, next, I don't even know what I'm doing with my makeup today. I'm gonna put a little bit of my Low paint pot on. I always use these paint pots. I just feel like they're so easy. And they almost act as an eyeshadow, so they prime your lid, but they'll give you a little color, just kind of to blank out the space, so that whatever you put on next will kind of stick and look its best. So I like something convenient like this. And if you're more fair-skinned, you could use like Painterly. If you're darker, you could use Groundwork, but I'm using Low, which is like a beige color, peachy beige. I'm losing my tan. It's making me so sad. I'm just gonna do a little skin. I think I'm just gonna put on some face and body. This is gonna look dark, but don't worry. And oh my god, I have no brushes over here. Hold on, let me get some brushes. Okay, I'm gonna blend out this foundation with this big brush. I'm so lazy when it comes to doing makeup sometimes, but like I still want to look cute, so I just kind of do whatever. So my foundation is on. You're probably thinking, where's the coverage? But I just kind of want like a tint. Like I don't even really want coverage. Like I said, I literally have nothing to do today. I just felt like doing my makeup because I wanted something going on. I'm gonna put some Studio Fix concealer on. I'm not gonna do as much as I would if I'm like going somewhere special, but just a little under the eye kind of thing. I'm gonna use a little sponge to blend this out. You could use your beauty blender. You could use a brush, but I find that it works best with a sponge for this particular concealer. I was like, I'm not gonna use much of this. Here I am, putting it all over my face. This is why I don't do that much coverage with my foundation though. I like to do more coverage with concealer, just kind of like in the center of the face, because this is where people are going to see first. They're not really looking at the sides of your face and all that whatnot. So that's why I do it like that. Okay, cool. This is cute. I'm just spot concealing with my Studio, what is this called? Perfecting stick. I'm just taking a little and I'm just dotting it where I want like a little coverage, just on a couple blemishes. That's kind of it for that. Cool. I want to put on eyelashes. I'm just going to do like a quick little shadow in the crease. This is a little palette that I made with a few MAC shadows and some Anastasia shadows. I love having these like matte tones with like a neutral, warm color, a dark, and a dark. So I'm just gonna throw this in my crease. So I just took a tap of this color and this color. I like just mixing them. I'm just gonna pop those in my crease. Ooh, okay. There's a lot more than I expected on my brush, so I'm just gonna use the rest on this side.
This is a Mr. Tracky production.
So you notice that before I started blending, I went to the other eye and I stamped some of that additional product down, just because there's no point in trying to blend something out when you have so much product on your brush. Sometimes I'll just like wipe my brush on the side of my hand just to kind of clear off some of that product. I'm gonna go back in with that softer shade and just kind of help this to be a bit more diffused, because it got real intense real quick. And I always do little circles, and then I kind of do little window wiper back and forth motions. When you have less product on your brush, you can kind of go crazy with the blending like this. But when you have like a deeper color or more product, you want to be a little bit more softer. Don't be afraid to put some pressure on your brush. It's not going to blend if you're like barely touching the eye. Put some pressure on it. And also another tip, hold your brush from the end of it. Don't hold, so many people, you start by holding your brush here. You're not really getting much movement. You want your wrist to be flicking, so hold it from the end and flick the wrist. So I'm just using this soft kind of shade here. I think it's called Malt from MAC. And I'm just blending this out. So once again, I'm gonna go around my brows. Because I just have so much shadow up here, I don't like it. I like there to be a bit of separation. So just under my brow. We'll do this side. You ever do your makeup and you're just like, what the fuck is going on? So I did end up adding just a touch to my brows, but honestly just a very little bit here and a very little bit up here, and that's really it. So I'm just gonna pop these lashes on. I'm using my Ardell lash glue. I don't know why, I like these latex free glues. I just feel like they stick way better. This is the little one with the wand. If you're having trouble with your lash glue not sticking, try the latex free. I just feel like it's more sticky. And I like applying my lashes with a little tweezer. So I didn't put any mascara on today. I'm just gonna pop my lashes on. So I've put the lashes on already, they're on, but I like to take my tweezers and just squeeze my lashes and the falsies together. Now when you're doing this, make sure that you're not squeezing your actual eyelid, because that, ooh, that hurt. Okay, lashes are on. Once again, we're gonna clean up the edge of my face here instead of licking the sponge like I did in my last video. Y'all probably thought that was nasty. I'm just gonna spray my sponge with Fix Plus and then just go at the corner and wipe away. This makes such a difference, you guys. Just wipe away the extra shadow that's hanging out down here. Because when you begin doing your makeup, you're not really paying attention to where all that shadow's going. And trust me, most of the time it's hanging out all under here, and it makes your eye shape look way different. So just wiping that away makes a huge difference. Something about this is looking weird. So I almost feel like I need to add liner. I'm just gonna take this like warmer brown, this one, And I'm just gonna blend on top of my liner.
This is a Mr. Tracky production.
I'm just gonna take a little mascara and throw that just kind of to connect them. Perfect. And then I'm gonna do some at the bottom. So for blush, I'm just gonna use my Torrid liquid blush. I just kind of dab it on my face and then blend it out. And I just use my fingers, usually like my middle finger, and just pat and press. I don't really want to put too much of a lipstick on. I think I'm just going to do a bit of liner and some gloss. I'm going to use Hover lip liner. This is my go-to. I'm just going to do Abu Dhabi Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is from NYX. I love the way these soft matte lip creams feel. Okay. See, I feel like when you start doing your makeup, you're like, what the fuck am I doing? And then after, you're like, oh, I look cute. That's what I was doing. Okay, last thing. I think I will just put like a little bit of highlight. But first, because I get shiny as heck, I'm just gonna take my Studio Fix powder. This is NC42. I'm just gonna stamp this like where I get shiny, which is basically everywhere, but mainly my T-zone. So I'm just gonna use my Whisper of Guilt. This one looks busted because it's like 4 years old, but same color, so it still slays. This is by far like my favorite highlight. This, and I really like the Maybelline Master Chrome. That is so creamy and smooth. They have lots of colors. So I finished off my makeup. I added some highlight. I put a little here, and that's basically it. And I'm feeling this look, you guys. Mwah! Love you guys. Bye! And really quickly, I wanted to mention that if you like how I styled my hair, I actually am going to be posting a tutorial on how I did that. I recorded it before I did this video, so you can look out for that. It's either going to be up already or I'll be posting it in the next few days. So if you want to know how to do a quick ponytail, super easy, then take a look on my channel for that. Okay, I'm leaving. Bye guys!